It's 4:25 and the sun's already down. Well, I got a lion's shit. Well, I got all the field ready. I might have to get down on my belly and get up underneath the rocker. And then I gotta do my tape lines, hand sand all that stuff. I gotta tape these hinges off, and I got the bumper sanded. The only thing I got left to sand, besides the detail stuff out there, is this one fender and this little piece here. But I'm waiting to get the rest of this stuff, that paint off of there. Been working on that stainless for 3 days. There's a bunch of it. That's what's left of it. And oh look, I got my grill painted flat back. That's just one coat. I got to put more of that. I need to get more of that. And get the rest of the paint off of these. So, yes, dear? Oh. So, I've been working on this for about 5 hours now. I got this one little stripe down the middle of the hood to sand yet, and the edges of the hood. So, I wish I could say tomorrow I'm going to put the bed liner on it, but I don't even have it yet, so I can't do that tomorrow. But that's all I got today. So I'm going to go in and take a shower so I don't look so much like a Smurf. If you haven't done so yet, click the subscribe button. It's under this window. It's big red, it says subscribe. And then the bell icon right next to it so you can be notified of future uploads. If you like this video in this series, hammer away at that like button and share it with your vast social media network. I'd appreciate that if you could do that. And check the links for products that pertain to this project and for gear that I use to make these videos. And if you're so inclined to purchase those things, then the channel gets a little bit of a kickback, a little bit of a commission, if you will, pennies. But my phone's ringing. Ain't that a bitch? It's probably a spam call. Telemarketer. Who is it? Hello. Yeah, you've called me every day this week. Where was I before I was so rudely interrupted? Anyway, doesn't matter. Till next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Maybe I won't look so blue. Bye. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Let's turn that off. Hey, where's your jacket? Ah. That's a lot of agua. Should drain your tank every once in a while. Oh, blue boogers.